Hair loss is one thing millions are burdened with, often like a cat attached to one's tail, a feeling of helplessness. But there is hope now in the assistance of powerful cutting-edge technology. Enter the niostem Smart Hair Loss Wearable. This is no hair care routine as grandma ever knew. The niostem might look like a hairband with the cool factor, but it's the real deal, a hair restoration superhero. The niostem operates on a cocktail of low-level laser therapy, microcurrent stimulation, and smart sensors that cannot hasten hair's loss but improves growth instead. And the battle is not on whether to keep your hair, but in keeping your confidence. Ever wanted a lush herb garden but lacked a greenest of thumbs? Worry no more, for the future of indoor gardening has finally arrived. The LED self-watering multi-herb garden. It is more than just a planter, it's a high-tech in vitro ecosystem that brings the farm-to-table concept right to your kitchen counter. This may, in fact, be a flavor powerhouse, as it has space for 6 different herbs. Basil, mint, cilantro, parsley work your culinary creativity. They produce totally perfect spectrum light for growth and by according to the cycle of nature. The indoor herb garden for a new generation. In this land of glowing screens and digital fatigue comes a Viwood's A-Paper Carta 1300, where the future meets comfortable intimacy with paper. That is not another tablet. Like paper, but it thinks like a computer. It takes care of your eyes like a close friend. E-ink has that real feel of paper, whether you're reading, writing, or even sketching. No glare and no eye strain either. Pure, crisp text and images look great even in bright sunlight. But here's the really cool part. The A-Paper doesn't just mimic paper, it improves upon it. Using AI-powered handwriting recognition, those scribbles of yours get transformed into editable text almost as fast as you can say digital revolution. Even not being a tablet, it bridges that lovable analog world and the digital future we are racing toward. Ever get that sinking feeling when you cannot find your keys, wallet, or bag? Well, say hello to the future of item tracking, the AirCard Pro and AirNotch Pro. These aren't just ordinary trackers, but item guards working for your personal belongings, making sure you never have to lose them again. The AirCard Pro fits easily in your wallet, while the AirNotch Pro can stick to almost anything else. Keys, luggage, even the collar of your furry friend. Nothing is really off-limits. But here's the punchline. They last forever. Yes, you've got it right there. Forever. That's it. No more changing of batteries and worrying about your tracker dying at the worst moment. The AirCard Pro and AirNotch Pro, your ticket to a no more struggling, where did I put that thing free life. Never lose track of what matters again. Smart devices and digital displays. Now, there are moments when you just want to have a little vintage. So, along comes TexTime Black Flip Clock. It is not just a watch, it is a statement, a piece to discuss, a piece of yesterday but worn with modern twists. Firstly, at a glance, it looks like something from the past, but when you take a closer look, you could see where the future of timekeeping was headed. Words substitute perfectly for numbers. It is 6:30, declares the clock, making telling time poetic. Sometimes the best way to take a step forward is with a style step backward. This world of instant messages and fleeting emojis is brought back by magic through the Lovebox Spinning Heart Messenger, a thoroughly heartfelt means of communication. It is not something but a bridge of love, a channel between two hearts, wrapped up in the veil of an elegant wooden box. First impression, a charming piece of ornamentation. Look closely, however, since heartbeats spin, magic would ensue. A message has arrived from one of your soulmates and awaits discovery in the digital love letter. Open the lid and the message is viewed on a small screen hidden inside. Perhaps it is a sweet love note, a cute doodle, or even a photo, a slice of someone's heart delivered straight to your desk. The Lovebox Spinning Heart Messenger. Because no better phrase for the digital age than this spinning wooden heart. Enter the 3Doodler Create Plus 3D printing pen, wherein creativity literally leaps off the page. This is not only a pen, but rather a handheld 3D printing device that turns your creativity into reality. At first glance, it looks like a device for the future. A futuristic writing tool. But watch closely as it extrudes a thin stream of molten plastic that cools and hardens instantly. With the 3Doodler, any artist, DIY enthusiast, or simple creator has a world of possibilities. You can make decorative art pieces or practical objects. Anything you can think up, it can do. But here's where it gets really cool though. The 3Doodler isn't just for flat surfaces. You can draw in the air and produce three-dimensional structures that appear to defy gravity. The 3Doodler Create Plus 3D printing pen. Because in the world of creativity, the only limit should be your imagination. Ever wanted to command your very own fleet of paper airplanes from the palm of your hand? Well, dream no more. The smartphone-controlled paper airplane is a revolution gadget bringing modern technology to something as old as the family heirloom that nearly every one of us has known since childhood. A piece of paper can be your favorite designed airplane after attaching small motor and propeller. With a smartphone app, you can hand steer your paper airplane in any direction and have rolls and loops, and even have an aerial race with friends. Truly, it is a kind of personal flying license, minus all the training. Did you know that paper airplanes can fly a really long way? In fact, in 1967, a paper airplane achieved a world record by flying an astonishing 63.5 meters time to relive that childhood a futuristic twist. Get your best paper airplane ready. Electric Unicycle is one of the cutting-edge personal transporters combining innovation and style in an inspiring way. Equipped with an extremely powerful electric motor and highly developed gyroscope technology, the E20 allows for a smooth and stable ride, thus admitting riders of all abilities to its experience. Easy-to-use control and sensitive steering facilitate utmost precision in the turns, guaranteeing comfort and safety. The E20 can travel approximately 35 kilometers on a single charge, making it an excellent convenient alternative to something as traditional as one place to another. It's quite easy to store and transport, and generally isn't very heavy, so it's not a problem to bring along wherever the adventure will take you. In other words, the E20 happens to be not only practical, but fantastic and thrilling in delivering the whiz to see the world in a more exciting way. Its sleek and modern design turns heads, making one stand out wherever you go. Designed to marry the stability of a car with the maneuverability of a motorcycle, the quadricycle is one innovative vehicle that promises a unique and thrilling driving experience. Equipped with 4 electric motors and a tilting mechanism, the quadricycle can take on even the toughest terrain from extreme rugged trails to steep inclines. The quadricycle has been designed with a suspension system that gives it a smooth and pleasant ride, no matter how challenging the conditions. The eco-friendly electric powertrain of this vehicle makes it ideal for those who enjoy exploring the great outdoors without leaving a carbon footprint. Are you ready to embark on unforgettable adventures off the beaten path? The electric all-terrain pendular quadricycle is the ultimate vehicle for those seeking thrill and excitement. With its unparalleled versatility and cutting-edge technology, it's the perfect companion for your outdoor explorations. The Hatch Restore 2 smart alarm clock is a gentler, more restorative way to wake up. With its customizable sunrise simulation, Restore 2 gradually increases light levels mimicking natural dawn so gently awaken you. This sends your circadian rhythm into proper rhythm as well as encourages more restful sleep. Apart from soft light, the Restore 2 has a variety of soundscapes that are soothing to the mind. It has nature ambiances, meditation sounds, and white noise. They may even hush the distractions, reduce stress levels, and provide improved quality sleep. The Restore 2 also offers a built-in speaker, allowing you to play your favorite music or podcasts. Its sleek and modern design complements any bedroom decor, making it both functional and stylish. Wake up feeling refreshed, revived, and ready to tackle the day with Hatch Restore 2 Smart Alarm Clock Experience. A difference that only a truly restful sleep can make. Anyone who practices versatility and efficiency should include the Leatherman Skeletool CX Multi-Tool in his or her arsenal. The compact, lightweight tool comes packed with an astounding 14 staple tools in the powerhouse such as pliers, wire cutters, knife, saw, screwdriver, and bottle opener. All are made of strong stainless steel and have ergonomic shape that makes for comfortable carrying and usage of the device. Whether it's camping, hiking, or just a handy, reliable tool around the house, the Skeletool CX is the perfect sidekick to have. Its versatility and durability make it a great addition to any toolkit. The compactness, rugged construction, and more than ample tools make the Leatherman Skeletool CX Multi-Tool a completely indispensable item for adventure seekers, DIYers, and all those who enjoy a well-stocked toolkit. This is a compact, lightweight printer that can be used by students, professionals, and a much larger audience in need of printing their document from anywhere. Its wireless Bluetooth connectivity makes it very easy to connect your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and print effortlessly. Although it is a compact printer, Sesnik delivers very excellent print quality with clear prints containing text and full-color images. Its rechargeable battery is proved for long performance. Whether you work at home, travel, or just need to have a portable solution for printing at office from home, this Sesnik Portable A4 printer is your ideal one. Experience the freedom and convenience of portable printing with the Sesnic Portable A4 Printer, Bluetooth. Its compact size, wireless connectivity, and high-quality output make it an essential tool for anyone who needs to print on the go. This Orba handheld multi-instrument is that master innovation, putting the whole world of sounds right at your fingertips. It is a portable instrument, very small in size with a touch-sensitive surface with which one can play the piano, the drum, the guitar, and the bass. It comes equipped with speakers and with a headphone jack so that you can learn anywhere, anytime in the world. The Orba is also interactive to a large scale of music applications, whereby one can create and experiment with different sounds and styles. With an intuitive interface, it makes it approachable even to musicians in every level. Let loose with Orba handheld multi-instrument, versatility and portability come with an affordable price tag for the musical tool of musicians and fans alike. Chubby Buttons 2 is more than a toy experience because it is an extraordinary friend that inspires imagination and learning. This is quite a soft toy with blinking buttons that light when pressed and then make a range of sounds. The colorful design and characteristics keep catching the attention of little tots and stir up the young kids' senses. The Chubby Buttons 2 has several modes, some of which include the learning mode, where the kids learn their colors, shapes, and numbers. It comes with the musical mode about playing interesting music and rhythmic explorations. Since it is really portable, a child can literally take it anywhere. Whether you are going for a road trip or hanging out at the park or just staying indoors, Chubby Buttons 2 is a surefire means to keep your child entertained and engaged. Chubby Buttons 2. Bring sparkle and excitement back into your child's life with this cute interactive toy that will bring fun hours of learning and fantasy play in the hands of little ones.